Simply Explained. In this video, I'm gonna explain what a recession is as simply as possible, so easy a dumbass can understand it. Recession. Simply explained, a recession is basically when the United States doesn't grow financially for a period of 6 months. Basically, big companies aren't making more money, people usually spend less, and everyone's buttholes get a little bit tighter. On average, a recession lasts about 17 months. And usually what happens, the stock market falls about 30%, real estate prices take a dip, and in general, demand for goods just aren't as strong as they were for the previous period. What you need to know is the world is not gonna end like the news and CNBC and CNN makes it seem. All of the YouTubers freaking out with the thumbnail saying the world is over, recession has just started. And historically, for the very smart investors, in recessions is when a lot of money is actually made. And typically in times like these, you have the opportunity to buy long-term assets like real estate, the general stock market, and buy them at cheaper prices now than you normally would. So during times like these, there's a lot of opportunities to make some money over the next 1 to 2 to 3 years. Again, simply explained, a recession is a period of time where things slow down, the world doesn't end, there's an opportunity to buy some really good investments for the long term, and life is eventually gonna go on. The United States and the economy will recover and life goes on. If you like Simply Explained videos just like this, consider subscribing to my channel. Like this video if you got some value. I'll see you guys on the next Simply Explained.